This product is from poshkicks.ru. Again, that's poshkicks.ru. Yeah, poshkicks.ru. Yo, it's your boy Jizo back with another video. And today, one more time for you haters, man. And today, yo, y'all already know what time it is. Matter of fact, let me hit y'all with a Birdman Rose, and we must have a package in, and yes we do, got a package in by the box. I think I know what it is. Matter of fact, before we even do that, let me see if I can, because I'll be right here in the description, and you can use code Jizo, get you about, I think, $15 to $20 off, something like that. Yeah, something like that. But let's get to the package, man. Let's get to the package. Balls, that was crazy. Get to the package was wild. But here's the box right here, guys. Here's the box right here. Yeah, here's the box. Where's my trusty knife? Get the trusty knife out. Oh man. Cut the paper out this good. Now I don't even know what made me. Y'all know I'm in my layer right here. I could have just cut these downstairs and did this video later. I know some of y'all like this. You know what I mean? See the windows and all that shit, man. But you know, I'm in the layer right now, man. We in the layer, the back cave, baby. We in the back. I'm about to say which one is of these. Oh man. So by the box, I already knew these was a pair of runners. Already by the box, man. By the box, I knew these was a pair of runners. Now let's check out, see if their information is in here. Either way, they did not put their information here, and I'm so sorry to these people that I don't have the information. I might have to put, matter of fact, I skipped forward. I wish I'd have brought my other phone, man. I wish I'd brought my other phone with me. They didn't put their information in here. But somewhere in this video, you'll see their information, actually. So here's the box. Here's the box. You open it up. You got the dust bag. Again, if anybody out there know how to make stuff with dust bags, I got 1,000 Balenciaga dust bags. Make me a pair of pants, a shirt, or something. Ooh, wait. Okay. I ain't gonna front on you. They did a great job with these, man. They did a great job with these, man. Hold on, man. Now, if you know me, you know me. Like Ginobili. These runners, man. These are nice runners right here, man. Yeah, these are nice. Got the little, you know what I mean? If y'all know about the runners, y'all know, man. They got a little, the sides and stuff look like it's stained. Don't ever think they're dirty. The shoestrings sometimes look like they're faded or got ink in it or something like that, man. Those are just the style of the Balenciagas, guys. Don't let that fool you. Don't stop. These are fresh, man. These are fresh. Like, wow, man. Yeah, I definitely got it because I like the style. I'm definitely about to try these on too. I'm gonna try them on as well because these are a new company. I haven't worked with this company before, so yeah, we're gonna have to try these on. But man, these are nice, man. These are nice. So let's take you around the shoe. 40. You see the size of the shoe at the front. You see Balenciaga right there. Balenciaga on the tongue. The big B on the tongue. On the back, same thing. The shoe size 46. Balenciaga on the back. The shoestring right here is cool. Whatever this is. Like, you can hang your shoes up with this. I don't know what it's for. Just the looks. The B on the back. You see the B on the back. I don't know if y'all can see it. Right here. Yeah, you gotta get all these details. You know what I mean? The runner on the side. If you can see, you gotta get all these details, man. The bottom of the shoe. All that is good, man. If you know about these runners, you know. And these are comfortable. These runners will be comfortable. So I gotta try these on because, again, this is my first time working with this company. So I don't know I just don't know. I just don't know. So at some point along in this video, you will see who the company is. I definitely put their website up here. So yeah. So give me a few seconds. I'm gonna try these on. So give me. Yeah, these things are nice and comfy. I got them on. As you see, they fit. So if you wear a big size, like I do, I wear size 13. I have wide feet. These are very comfortable, man. These are very comfortable. You have to loosen shoestrings up because they definitely, every seller, everybody tie their shoes tight. I don't know how they lace them shoes, but they lace them tight. So you'll have to rework, you know what I mean, loosen them up a little bit. But that's about it. They're nice, man. They're real nice. I like them. They look good on the foot. Yeah. So, yeah. First time working with it. You know what I mean? So, again, shouts out to Posh Kicks. Yeah, Posh, however you say it. POSH kicks.ru, man. Yeah, shouts out to them. Yup. Alright, so, now that you see me try them on, let me take them off. These kicks are top tier. Shouts out to poshkicks.ru. Yeah, nice. I'm telling you, these are top quality. Yeah, I like them. I actually like them. Yeah, I like them for sure. Poshkicks.ru. And I'm out, man. This review lasted longer than I expected. But at the end of the day, man, if you want some nice kicks, y'all know where to go. Poshkicks.ru. Use code GIZO. Don't forget, that's the most important part. Use code GIZO. No matter what site I tell you, code GIZO will always work, man. Alright.